This is Sreevani from Hyderabad. I was doing software engineer from past 10 years, and I have uh, been using so many drugs for thyroid, and from past 2 years I'm been suffering from this thyroid, and and taken so many medicines, but I didn't feel like good using these medicines, and I have heard regarding the Ayurvedic medicine initially, but when I came to know about naturopathy and about Jacob sir, I have trusted this and came here from long way from Hyderabad to Kerala, and it was very good uh, in terms of food culture. What we generally eating is not at all good for our health, and they have been introduced what combinations of food we need to take. And initially when I came here, I thought this food may not be good and I may not be happy with this food, but after some time I got used to this, and there was lot of improvement in me. And I can say one thing about Jacob sir is he is brilliant by when he sees the patient itself, he'll know the situation and he immediately spontaneously gives the treatment in response to that. And Dr. Somya is also very helpful. Thank you.